We have some big news coming in. War of words erupts between BJP and its ex-ally LJP in Bihar. In fact, Union Minister now Prakash Javadekar big attack on LJP chief Chirag Paswan. Javadekar accuses Chirag of trying to mislead people by taking names of BJP leaders. And Javadekar says, and I quote, BJP doesn't have B or C team. Javadekar says Chirag's LJP will be left as vote cutter. A vote cutter party. In fact, the BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra jumps in, says that the LJP is fighting for survival. Remember, Chirag had said that he was fighting against the JDU and he wanted a BJP chief minister for Bihar. Here, war of words there erupts between BJP and its ex-ally LJP. In fact, Prakash Javadekar, the union minister, now hits out at LJP, saying, particularly Chirag Paswan, saying that he is trying to mislead voters by naming BJP netas.
चिराग की पार्टी एक वोट कटवाने वाली पार्टी रह जाएगी और हम 3/4 बहुमत से चुनाव जीतेंगे। जब उन्होंने अपना अलग रास्ता चुना है, अब वो केवल एक वोट कटवाने की वाली पार्टी बन के रह गए हैं, तब हमारे नेताओं का नाम लेकर एक भ्रम फैलाने की कोशिश करना सफल नहीं होगी।
बिहार में जिस प्रकार लोजपा अर्थात एलजेपी भ्रम और झूठ की राजनीति कर रही है, यह दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। यह बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। स्पष्ट रूप से भारतीय जनता पार्टी यह बताना चाहती है कि बिहार के इस चुनाव में बीजेपी, जेडीयू, हिंदुस्तानी अवाम मोर्चा जिसे हम कहते हैं और वीआईपी विकासशील इंसान पार्टी का ही गठबंधन है। यही मिलकर चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं और हम स्पष्टतः बता दे, यह ऐलान करके बता दे, ना तो हमारी कोई बी टीम है, ना हमारी कोई सी टीम है, ना हमारी कोई डी टीम है। हम एक ही टीम है जिसमें बीजेपी, जेडीयू, हम HUM हम और वीआईपी विकासशील इंसान पार्टी एक साथ मिलकर लड़ रहे हैं।
Cutting across to Rahul Srivastava joining us for more details on that. Rahul, here we're looking at a war of words between the BJP and its ex-ally LJP. BJP, Prakash Javadekar accusing Chirag Paswan of trying to mislead people, saying eventually LJP will be left as a vote cutter party. Now, what's this politics all about erupting ahead of the polls?
You see, if you look at what has been transpiring in Bihar, and especially the NDA is concerned, nearly 2 weeks ago, there was a great amount of speculation that what the LJP was doing was largely at the behest of the BJP by having a lot of candidates against the JDU, which the JDU chief Chirag Paswan had announced. There were fears that the BJP was trying to undercut the JDU in a position that the number of seats won by the party may be lesser. But two things have happened in the meanwhile. One, at that time it seemed that Ram Vilas Paswan, the late minister in the NDA government, was still in hospital. It seemed that Chirag Paswan may not be able to get that kind of a momentum. But after Mr. Paswan passed away, there was a certain sense in the BJP and the NDA that there might be a sympathy factor working for Chirag Paswan and the LJP. The second is a very strong nudge by the JDU, which is an alliance partner, that somewhere they told the BJP, it has been clarified that an alliance partner of the NDA is fighting against another alliance partner of the JDU, which will hurt the JDU. And because of these two elements, a very strong nudge from JDU especially, the BJP had to spell out the contours of the campaign. Now, what the BJP was fearing, that using Narendra Modi's image and a quasi-alliance picture of being happy with the BJP, Paswan's party may actually try to get a lot of votes which are pro-BJP, but may not go to JDU in the constituency where JDU and LJP are against each other. And to ensure that that does not happen, the BJP has today clarified that LJP is now out. There was one more element which a senior BJP leader just now told me, that there was a wariness that in case Paswan's party does get any seats, having announced a divorce with the JDU, it's possible they may not join the JDU-led government, but may go with the RJD in case the number game is tilted in their favor. And just to ensure that all these things don't happen, the BJP has come out with a very, very strong indication that Ramvilas Paswan's party, led today by Chirag Paswan, is out of the NDA.
Right, Rahul, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.